ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ 51 ꯃꯨꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ 51 ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯒ ꯖꯦꯜꯗ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 2 ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯒꯦꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯔꯣꯂꯔ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯖꯋꯥꯍꯔꯂꯥꯜ ꯃꯆꯥꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 52ꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯁꯔꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯃꯍꯥꯇꯃꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯚꯥꯏꯁꯔꯣꯏ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ 1930-31 ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯏꯔꯋꯤꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯏꯔꯋꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 54ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯜꯂꯕꯤ ꯀꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯜꯂꯕ ꯀꯤꯡꯅꯅꯦ ꯆꯂꯨꯀ꯭ꯌꯥ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯗꯤꯐꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯈꯤꯕꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯦꯞꯆꯔꯤꯡ ꯕꯇꯥꯄꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯁꯤꯝꯍꯕꯔꯃꯟ ꯋꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯒꯧꯇꯃꯤꯄꯨꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯠꯀꯔꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯔꯥꯖꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯇꯜ ꯐꯪꯈꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯪꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯇꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯇꯥꯚꯍꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯇꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ who founded the ꯄ꯭ꯔꯊꯅꯥ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ in Bombay ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯊꯅꯥ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ 1867ꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯃꯥꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯟꯗꯨꯔꯥꯡꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯗ ꯑꯇꯃꯥꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯟꯗꯨꯔꯥꯡꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯊꯅꯥ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ being the president of Indian National Congress ꯒꯤ president ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ who among the following called complete independence from the British Raj 1929ꯗ British Rajꯒꯤ complete independence ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯧꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯖꯋꯥꯍꯔꯂꯥꯜ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨꯅꯀꯣ ꯖꯋꯥꯍꯔꯂꯥꯜ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨꯅ complete independence ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ 1929ꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 57ꯗ ꯕꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯝꯁꯤꯂꯥ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ was established in India ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ establish ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ in the 8th century under the patronage of ꯄꯂꯥ ꯀꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯝꯁꯤꯂꯥ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯙꯔꯝ ꯄꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ who among the following freedom fighter is known as ꯗꯦꯁꯕꯟꯙꯨ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ freedom fighter ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯦꯁꯕꯟꯙꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯗꯦꯁꯕꯟꯙꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯤꯠꯇꯔꯟꯖꯟ ꯗꯥꯁ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯗꯥꯁꯄꯨ ꯗꯦꯁꯕꯟꯙꯨ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ there was a tripartite struggle between ꯄꯂꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯇꯤꯍꯥꯔꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ tripartite struggle ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯀꯨꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ tripartite struggle ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯅꯤ ꯔꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯆꯟꯗꯦꯔꯤ ꯍꯁꯟ ꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯦꯋꯠ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯣꯍꯝꯃꯗ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯔꯥꯖꯁꯪꯒꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯨꯒꯜ ꯔꯨꯂꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯈꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯕꯥꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ who was the president of Belgaum session of Indian National Congress held in 1924 1924ꯗ Belgaum session of Indian National Congress president ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯇꯃꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯇꯃꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯅꯩ ꯇꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯔꯇꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ who was the president of who is the non-violent movement ꯈꯨꯗꯥꯏ-ꯈꯤꯗꯃꯥꯠꯒꯔ among the Pathans ꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯟ ꯚꯥꯏꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯕꯗꯨꯜ ꯒꯐꯔ ꯈꯥꯟ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯨꯠꯁ ꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ 1854ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯋꯨꯠꯁ ꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ 1854ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯍꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ who among the following was the last sultan of Delhi ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯨꯜꯇꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯍꯤꯝ ꯂꯣꯗꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯨꯜꯇꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯍꯤꯝ ꯂꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯕꯥꯕꯔꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯕꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ 1526ꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ during which of the following reigns Buddhism split ꯕꯨꯙꯤꯖꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯤꯅꯥꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯍꯥꯌꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯨꯁꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯅꯤꯄꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯀꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕꯩꯅꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯕꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯅꯤꯄꯠ 1526ꯗꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯕꯔꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯍꯤꯝ ꯂꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯁꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯁꯦ 65ꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯎꯁꯇꯥꯗ ꯑꯂꯤ ꯑꯛꯕꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯐꯦꯃꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯤꯡ ꯋꯤꯆ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯦ ꯁꯥꯔꯣꯠꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯣꯂꯣꯋꯤꯡ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯇꯤ ꯋꯦꯔ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜቭ ꯏꯟ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯥꯔꯇꯥꯏꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯜ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯥꯔꯇꯥꯏꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯇꯤꯍꯥꯔꯥ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯀꯨꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄꯂꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯇꯤꯍꯥꯔꯥ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯀꯨꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄꯂꯥ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯥꯏ ꯈꯤꯗꯃꯥꯠꯒꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯕꯣꯂꯨꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯕꯗꯨꯜ ꯒꯐꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯥꯏ ꯈꯤꯗꯃꯥꯠꯒꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣꯀꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯅ 1773 ADꯗ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯒ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯂ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯂ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ 1773ꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ 1773ꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ which of the following wars is considered to be the formal beginning of British rule in India ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯕꯤꯒꯤꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯤ 1757 ꯃꯊꯪꯗ Which of the following sultans of Delhi introduced to coin? Coin ani hudokkiba Delhi sultan du kanano? Tangka amasung 𝗵𝗶𝗀 haina coin ani hudokkiba Delhi sultan du kanano da 𝗵𝗶𝗀 ne 𝗵𝗶𝗀 yareko matangda 𝗵𝗶𝗀 na kari hudokkiba coin ani ji copper tangka 𝗵𝗶𝗀 amasung silver tangka haina matangda which of the following party was started in San Francisco, the United States during Indian National Movement? Indian National Movement madamda San Francisco da lala hardayal amasung sohan Sikh bangna party amal ki maming ng Gadar party kawi. Who among the following founded Pala dynasty in 8th century AD? Pala dynasty se 8th century AD da kanana founded to Palagi Dharam Pala na te Gopal ne Gopala na founded to kibani Pala dynasty. The name 𝗵𝗺𝗫𝗁 is associated with which of the following Mauryan king? 𝗵𝗺𝗫𝗁 haiba maming je karam Mauryan king ngasai yaur masi Ashoka da mangi video amda. Many words derived from word go meaning cow. Cow dagi derive word derived to ko. What is a special wealthy person?